Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you attacking cover 3 tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to skills trainer and go to attacking coverages. Now enter attacking cover 3 and follow the tutorial. Cover 3 is a zone defense with 3 defenders playing deep and dividing the field into thirds. There are also 4 defenders playing zone coverage underneath. You can recognize cover 3 by spotting one safety, usually deep in the middle of the field. Run the 4th vertical concept and complete a pass to any player inside a hot spot to beat cover 3. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.